What's up, my crypto legends? How's everyone doing? Not many people here in the live stream. I can see there's, just 30 people watching at this moment. Not too many people. It is Friday. I think people just want to enjoy the start of the weekend. But I just want to do a quick live update here on Bitcoin. Also, the S&P 500. Okay, we're taking a look at Bitcoin at these major levels that we've been talking about in today's video. Because if we do get that retracement to that 41.5, 41k levels, in my personal opinion, or depending on how we react at that range, okay, this consolidation right there where we do have this support and this volatility, that will be a major level for potentially longing. We need to see how we are going to come all the way down to this range and react to those levels. It might be a good longing opportunity, guys. So this is something that we want to wait patiently. Now, there is a strategy here, okay, that, if you think that you are not going to hit those levels, you potentially want to long from here already. That is always up to you. I am thinking about it, but I'm probably not going to trade during the weekend, but I am thinking in potentially start entering some positions so I don't miss out on a potential move to the upside. We do have this news over here. US inflation hits our highest level in 40 years in January as prices rise 7.5 from 2021. As you can see, 7.5%. Absolutely crazy. This is not going to have a price impact in the immediate short term, I think, but obviously mid-long term, we are looking for Bitcoin being that massive big hedge for the massive inflation that there is going to be in the next coming years. Right, let me go here quickly through the comment section. Hello, everyone. How is everyone doing? Now, I want to know, are you bullish or are you bearish? Because we can see here on the BTC price, it is true that we've hit that major resistance. I'm talking about the 45.5, 46k levels, all right? We are hitting a major resistance. Is the price going to manage to consolidate at this range and continue to the upside? We've got a big resistance right over here at 46k. We've been going through this major resistance the last few days, also in today's video. And we've got big support at 41k levels. Give it, plus minus a few $100 because of it. It's a big range. Okay, it's in between $40,000 and $42,000 where we've consolidated many times as resistance, as support. So I think it looks like that we are going to be trading in between this range for quite some while. What I want to know, are you bullish for the rest of the month or are you bearish? Do you think this low 40k level will hold as support for a consolidation before the next major leg up? Or are we going to break down 40k and continue to the downside, potentially retesting the very low 30k levels from January? Let me ask you, are you bullish for the rest of the month? Are you bullish for the rest of February? Let me know, guys, in the comment section. I want to know, are you bullish for the rest of February? Obviously, no would be that you are bearish, okay? Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Let me, I've got the poll there right now. Sashin, hey, Andy, TLM, US dollar at, and targets. Let's take a look at TLM. Let's see if we do see some nice potential, levels, targets, what could happen, projected moves. It's, looking very bearish. We broke this support here, long time since we haven't done analysis on this one. And yeah, basically, what can we see here for TLM? This is Alien Worlds, if I'm not wrong. Now, we did not retest the summer lows. Could we retest the summer lows? Very possible. Yes, in my personal opinion, this is looking for a short opportunity, okay? This is looking for short. If you're looking for targets, if you're looking for trades, as you can see right over here, we created higher lows, was looking pretty good in an uptrend, broke, aggressively in January, these are higher lows. And what is happening right now is that we are hitting a major zone right there, right over here. It does look like that we are potentially going to get rejected and come back down to retest the 10-cent level. We are currently trading at 15-cent range. Heavily rejected, guys. You can clearly see it right there. Boom on TLM. We are currently trading right there. Do you think, you know, this kind of dead cat bounce is going to have steam to break up? It might, but looking at the probabilities here, let's take a look at volume. I mean, volume, this is calculated by Binance, by TradingView. So, yeah, there's not too much volume on this this crypto. It seems like it's a little bit dead. TLM can be traded on Bybit. This is new. I did not know that TLM was added on Bybit. It was added on in December. So you can trade TLM on on Bybit, which is, I didn't know that. So you know the deal. You get the best bonus down below, guys, with Bybit. I also get a small commission, so it's another way to support the channel. So looking at TLM here on Binance, like I said, it's just keeping it here pretty simple. We are hitting that major resistance zone at 15 cents, currently where we're trading. As you can see, in my personal opinion, I think we are going to get rejected and we're going to retest these lows. So basically we are going to get, you know, a retest from, you know, this range. I wouldn't say the bottom bit, but at least, you know, this box over here would be a take profit area, you know, if you are shorting TLM. That's what I personally think here. So we get this green, get this box green right there. And you'll ask why is that an area? Because, you know, you retest the lows. The prices of the assets like to retest the lows. Okay, just a quick example right over here. You got this high, you have a consolidation, you come back up, you retest the highs. You have these lows, price comes up, come back down, retest the lows. So the prices like to come down and retest the lows. There hasn't been another retest here, so I would expect a potential retest and maybe create a bottom also. But yeah, that is definitely, in my personal opinion, a great shorting opportunity because you are hitting that, you know, major support level in the past. Broke down successfully, bang bang. This looks like that it's going to continue slightly to the downside. So yeah, take profit area would be that 11-12 cent area from 15 cents. You know, this, the good thing about this, you could potentially put a tight stop loss, you know, tight stop loss right here above this this lower high over here, or even slightly above this high that you have created yesterday. You know, just run over there. That's my personal opinion, of course. Make sure to do your own analysis. Hello, Andy. How is it going? Huff, how are you? Joseph, my man, how are you doing? Show the dog. The dog is downstairs. The dog is downstairs. Yeah, I need to get him on the live stream. If he comes up and knocks on the door, I will get the dog in for sure. Hey, Andy, good morning. TLM. Yeah, I've just taken a look at that. Good morning. Hi, Roy. How are you? Trev, how are you doing? BTC direction, please. Andy, well, the direction, nobody knows where the direction is. We can do some analysis on the S&P 500. Very important to see the traditional market, but nobody knows the direction of Bitcoin. What we do know is that we need to react if we do hit some certain levels or break them. Okay, I don't know if we're going to go up or down. I'll tell you what, I will react to the price. I will be long, okay, if we do come down to 41-42k levels. Okay, I would be planning to add to my position depending on how the price comes down there. Very important, because, you know, price maybe can be very aggressive. We might have some big whales, you know, selling massively on leverage and selling 100,000 Bitcoin suddenly into market, and we could have a big candle like this to the downside with huge volume. And I'm not interested in trading this. I would be interested in trading, you know, the price coming down to these levels, 41k level. I've got a big spike on the VPVR. We got this nice consolidation. This is a big consolidation right there. This level should be holding nicely as support. If we come down there, I would be interested if we consolidate at this level to potentially, you know, place some long orders. That is me, of course. Now, yesterday, for example, on the live stream, you can check yesterday's live stream. And yes, I am bullish for the midterm, right? For the next coming weeks. But immediate short term, yesterday, we said, you know, it would make more sense from this price action. I was making a live stream just when it looked like it was going to break resistance, right? And we said, you know, it's you know, the most, you know, common sense, you know, reaction to this would be shorting. Okay, you should be shorting at this level, not longing, because we've been going up now for quite a couple of weeks. So it would make sense to short at resistance. When you're having this kind of reaction, you're basically creating a kind of a double top right there. You have this wick over here failing to get above. You know, when you see this on the 4 hourly, let's take a look at the 1 hourly, just so you can get the idea, you know, just so you can get, you know, when we do not know, we do not know if the price is going to go up or down. But if you do find, you know, if you see this on the chart, and we were doing this live, but I guess I was doing some altcoins, you know, and you know, different, you know, I can't always, you know, look at Bitcoin because I'm looking at the comment section, I'm doing other altcoins. But when you failed from breaking a resistance like this, we went on top of this. This is on the 1 hourly. You can take a look on the 1 hourly, 4 hourly, 2 hourly also. But check out how you attempt to break the resistance, and it was a complete fail. Just imagine how many people are breakout trading, okay? They break out trading the resistance. They're thinking like, we're breaking resistance, this is gonna absolutely fly. And no, you can see just a few hours after this, you know, failed attempt of breaking the resistance. And, you know, this area already is a great shorting opportunity. And your question might be, where am I going to, you know, take profits? Well, as you can see here on the chart, you know, the big levels is, I've got this yellow line right over here, and this has been major resistance all the way back here, major resistance right there, support over here. But it's kind of a double top. And when you want to take profits on a double top or a double bottom, just to keep it simple, when you create a double top, you know, after creating the second top, you have a low. You have a higher low when you create a double top, right? And that is always a very good take profit area, because you might get supported from that low. The same when you have a bottom, right? When you have a double bottom, you create one bottom first, but you create first a lower high, right? If you are coming from a downtrend, right? You have one last lower high right there. So you create the second, you create the double bottom. And you might think, right, if I entering on this double bottom, where am I going to take profits? You want to take profits at the last lower high. So in this case here for Bitcoin, when we've had this failed resistance breakout, you know, you have higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low, okay? And, you know, could you say that this is a higher low? I think that all of this is the biggest higher low. All of this is kind of an impulse, if you ask me. So yeah, this area is definitely that is the take profit area, right? This range over here, if you are shorting from this level, the last higher big higher low, which is this one, if that makes any sense. So yeah guys, let me take a look at the poll. So we need to try and react. I would react if we do. Now notice that there's a lot of shorting going on right now in the market. So there's shorts with stop losses over here, and there's longs with stop losses, you know, below this low, this consolidation, I would say. So now we need to react as soon as the price comes back up to this range to see if we are going to fail, okay? Because long in here would be absolutely crazy. We need to see if we're going to fail again, because there could be a third failed attempt, and that one might be a shorting opportunity. Or we need to come back down here, grab the liquidity from below this consolidation. This range is like no man's land, right? This is going to be like no man's land. You don't know exactly where you're going to go. But depending on how we react, we grab all of this liquidity from stop losses over here and then crash down, or we come down, you know, and grab all the stop losses from long positions of this area. And then depending on how we react, how we lose this level, if we start making this kind of price action at this consolidation, we need to look for long opportunities, guys. It's kind of, we are trading the opposite kind of direction, right? Obviously we can zoom out and look at the major trend, and I'm bullish because I think that this is going to be the start of a major uptrend. But yeah, we need to basically, you need to try and get, you know, in the immediate short term, if you are day trading or small swing trading, we are going to the opposite way of the market, okay? If you are dumping, I am not looking for shorts, I am looking for longs. If we are pumping, I am looking for shorts. And yeah, basically, you know, if I entered along, I am already looking to exit my position while we're pumping. And if I am shorting, I am already looking to exit my my short positions while we're going down, right? It's kind of, you need to get into the wave of where the market is not going, if that makes any sense at all. Let me see the poll here. How many people are bullish? Are you bullish for the rest of February? And 70% of people say yes. We've got 160 votes. So there's, you know, quite a lot of people that are bullish. There are some people that are bearish, 28%, not much. How are you today? Happy Friday. Joseph, I am doing great. I hope you're having a fantastic day also, my friend. Thank you very much for joining the stream. Hola, Robbie. How are you? Hey, Andy, good timing on my part. Just turned on YouTube, says Ian. Absolutely great. So I hope bull trap colossal dumpage soon, says Rene Montenegro. Yeah, I mean, this is the thing, we need to try and react to the market. That is my trading plan. I would prefer to see the market correct a little bit. If we come down and you know, lose these lows, it's going to be great. I mean, this is how the market plays. Okay, this is how the market plays. You could dump and then, you know, lose this major level, but then you're coming back up again. Very, very likely you would get a nice bounce from this range. You're not going to lose successfully this big spike on the VPVI, in my personal opinion. That is my take here on this. So we want to react to the market. I mean, a good reaction right there. I was just doing a live yesterday while we're having this, but we did talk about this. You know, made more sense of shorting this. Because it could be a failed attempt in breaking this such solid resistance zone. So yeah, we need to react to the market, guys. I mean, I can't stress it enough. The reactor must be my favorite word on the videos. A lot of people asking, you know, if we are going up or down. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm doggish, says Joseph. Hey Andy, great to see you every day. Hugo, thank you very much. Great to see you. Great to see you, Hugo, here in the comment section. Howdy Andy, says Evo. How are you, Evo? I'm doggish. Dump, Christian. Maybe dump, maybe yes, maybe not. Yeah, I would say yeah. I think there is a higher chance on the market to drop. Now, if we take a look at the S&P 500, I wouldn't be too sure about this. I wouldn't be too sure of the market, you know, having this does look like a very ugly double top, okay? It is Friday. Maybe there's not going to be too much activity. We have a double top here, retesting the support. I think that this support level will hold nicely, potentially. If we start losing this level, we could come all the way down to these lows over here on the S&P 500. This is going to be very, very likely on Monday. I don't think we would lose the lows if we are going to lose them. But that is definitely a good trading opportunity right there. If you do start losing these lows, all right, and closing a nice, you know, 4-hourly candle with high volume, then yeah, this might be a good shorting opportunity going down with this trend that we'll create on the S&P. But for the moment, yeah, we're still above this major support on the S&P 500. This range over here is super strong. This might be, instead of a double top, we might be creating here a double bottom right there and continue to the upside. Let's see how the S&P 500 is going to close. Not much opportunities with my kind of analysis right now. I'm just gonna wait patiently, like I said, for Bitcoin to get out of this range. As soon as Bitcoin gets out of this range, I'm talking about in between 43,000 and 45.5 thousand. As soon as BTC gets out of this range, I will be looking for opportunities here, you know, or depending on how we react to those levels. So that is my take here on this. Just giving a quick explanation. This is going to be a quick live stream, guys. It is Friday. You need to go out, have a good time. I won't be trading, I think, during the weekend. I'm just waiting. So to see what kind of reaction. John Cena. People should be looking at the silver and gold chart at this point, not freaking crypto or so. Lol, silver has a powerful chart. It doesn't matter. All charts have opportunities, okay? If you like volatility, I think, you know, silver is quite volatile also. But crypto is a joke. You can make money up or down on crypto. You can make money up or down. You know, you got Bybit, you got Prime XBT. It doesn't matter. You got, you know, huge opportunity. Why would it be a joke? You can make money up or down. It doesn't matter. So yeah, it's crazy to say that yeah, crypto is a joke. It is not. It is not. Thank you, Andy, for TLM USDT. Hey, where is Crazy Mark? Where is Crazy Mark? I do not know. Maybe Mark is. Oh, here he is. He's just joined the live stream. Mark Dutch has just joined the live stream. Mark Montenegro. Hey, how you doing, my man? Yeah, thank you very much for the insane support. Andy, saludos desde Argentina. Sos crack. Like I said, guys, it doesn't matter. Make sure you have plenty of USDT or USDC, your favorite stable coin. Guys, strong stable coins such as USDC, even better than USDT. And let's just ride the market. Let's try and find those trading opportunities. I haven't been trading much these last couple of days. So yeah, that's my game plan here. I do not see any opportunities at this moment. So I'm just going to wait for the price, like I said, to get out of this range, in between $46,000 and $43,000. This for me is no man's land. No man's land. If you ask me, yeah, I want to trade. I want to trade if we do get down here, or if we do get above again this major resistance. Will it be another failed attempt and then get a massive drop? I would love to see what kind of reaction we do have above $46,000. I will be setting alarms. And the good thing, guys, here on TradingView, you can set alarms at these price levels. So if there's a trading range where you do not, you're not interested in trading, you know, in the case of me, I'm not interested in trading between $43,000 and $46,000. Well, you can put an alarm here at 46,000. You can put an alarm right here, add alert right here, and it will send it to your email, okay, or to your mobile. You can actually choose, all right? You can right click right there, add an alert at 42.8, and you add an alert and they will send you a notification. You can choose by email, by mobile. And, you know, I would add just 2 alerts, one right over here and one right over here. And then I would be looking at the chart, you know, for half an hour, 1 hour, analyze the situation, see how the price action reacts to that range. And if we see a lot of wicks and a lot of fake outs, okay, seeing some selling pressure in the case of BTC to the upside, then you could potentially get into a short opportunity, or depending on how we react, losing these lows. All right, if we do see a massive big fall, or we're going to see big wicks here and getting supported from this big consolidation, then, you know, I would, you know, potentially long, depending on what happens. I'm not doing breakout trading. Chris, thanks very much for the super chat. Bollinger Bands at BTC 1 hour breakout imminent. Cheers from Germany, matey. Thank you very much, Chris, for the super chat. Let me take a look here at, yeah, Bollinger Bands. I do not use Bollinger Bands. I used them once in 2018. I've been using moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and I just like my, you know, analysis to be simple. I go with price action mainly. But yeah, let's take a look at the Bollinger Bands on the 1 hourly. Why not? I think, you know, once the Bollinger Bands gets really tight into a tight range, it looks for that volatility, right? So let's see. Bollinger Bands. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the Bollinger Bands. Yeah, this is the thing with the Bollinger Bands. Most simple way to understand Bollinger Bands, that, you know, when you get close to the low support area, then it is time to long, right, to the resistance, to the upper bit. So when you get close to the higher bit of the Bollinger Bands, it's very likely it will pull back to the center or to the lower part. So yeah, I've years since I haven't used this. You know, it's not I've just evolved with my trading, and I think, you know, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and, you know, Heikin-Ashi candles and all of this, I just don't pay too much attention. You know, the less things I have on the chart, you know, only support and resistance. You might see a lot of lines of resistance and support levels. That's the best way I can successfully trade. But yeah, like I said, 1 hourly Bollinger Bands, well, I think this is just ranging, and, you know, once the resistance and the support, okay, of the Bollinger Bands get close together, this is looking for a move to the upside or to the downside, right? When you get into a very tight range, it looks for a breakout. In this case, it was to the upside. So yeah, it looks like they are getting tight. It's getting tight, and we are looking for a move. Thank you very much, Chris, for the super chat, my man. What are your expectations for Filecoin, please? Says Nabil. Let's take a look at Filecoin straight away. I think Filecoin, you know, it's got to do with data in cryptocurrency. I'm not sure if it will succeed or not. I have no idea about the team, about their you know, their ideas, the development, the project. I have no idea what they're doing. And this one aggressively lost the summer lows. It looks like we did create a kind of a descending triangle right there, as you can see right here. It wasn't looking good, creating lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Long time since we haven't analyzed this, and it just broke to the downside. You can see that this textbook technical analysis target is getting the back here from the breakout, and this, you know, came all the way down here to the target. But anyway, let's get this out of the way, do a clean analysis, and on you know, Filecoin. This is a massive big cycle for Filecoin right here, massive big hype, crashed all the way down here. Look at the summer lows from 2021. We have lost this range, and this is not looking good for Filecoin. We lost the summer lows. Summer lows for Bitcoin is at 30,000. So 30,000, Bitcoin is trading well above the summer lows of 2021. And we have cryptos such as Filecoin, you know, losing the summer lows. And this is not good. This is just, you can see these crypto projects just dying off. This at some point will find a floor. But yeah, expectations for Filecoin, it is just hitting support and breaking support levels, breaking support. It is currently trading at this consolidation that we did create back in February. This is where we're currently getting, you know, that kind of resistance. It might roll back down. If you ask me, it will potentially roll back down to retest the lows, to retest the $17-18 range. Not looking great. There's no signs of this stopping anytime soon, unfortunately. So yeah, this could continue much lower. The signs in the chart change every single day. If people could predict the future like that, you'd have countless streaming billionaires. John Cena, yeah, this is why you react to the price action. I don't know if the price is going to go up or down. It doesn't matter. But we react. Yesterday, you can check on the stream, and we were analyzing that this area was a better. It was better to short this right here, because it could be a failed attempt in breaking resistance. So yeah, that was an incredible spot on analysis on that. You can check out the live stream from yesterday. We were saying that this is a very likely a better shorting opportunity than a long in, okay? And this is the thing, we want to react to that price action. This is why I will be quite bullish depending on how we react to this consolidation over here at 41.5. Will we hit those levels? I don't know. But if we, all depending on how we react with the price action, I'm going to step in for a potential long opportunity. So yeah, man. Hey yo, don't forget to smash up that like button, says Joseph. Thank you very much. Yeah, if you know the deal, I will be doing a BTC giveaway. Okay, my last video did get a huge amount of comments, but I think we just around about how many likes, and it's not, make sure to smash up that like button. Not on the you can on the streams, but the videos is the one that I'm going to do my giveaway. Not too many views on this video, 400 likes. But yeah, the video that gets 1,000 likes got a huge amount of comments here. I will be doing a random pick here from the comment section, and I'm going to do a BTC giveaway. Okay, so make sure to smash up the like button from my old video. If this doesn't arrive to 1,000 likes in the next coming 1-2 days, it's very likely it won't. We'll be doing some other videos, and let's try and hit 1,000 likes on the next video. So MATIC, please, let's take a look at MATIC straight away. Let's do some MATIC analysis. I'm bullish on BTC this year, but scared of hikes impact. I think the hikes are not going to come in March. I think they're not going to come in April. They will have to come at some stage, but I think they cannot. They need to recover the economy properly to, you know, get these interest rates high. It is what it is. If they start getting them up right now, it's going to be an absolute disaster for the economy. So in my personal opinion, I think that they're not going to, they can't increase the hikes just yet, the interest rates. So yeah, that is my take, guys. That's my take. MATIC network, just keeping it simple here for MATIC. This is what I see on the chart. This has been a horrible failed attempt on breaking the highs. You know, this is why, you know, it is better to short an attempt of breaking an all-time high or breaking a high a lot of the times. And what we have right now on MATIC, and yeah, is we have this over here. We have this. We have an ascending broadening wedge that broke out the support from these higher lows since the summer of 2021. This is a big ascending broadening wedge. This could have been an accumulation cylinder, but yeah, it broke support. So yeah, it's not going up, it's going down. It doesn't matter. We need to react. And you know, this has retested almost to perfection or a potential short opportunity. We were talking about, you know, let's see, you know, this might break resistance and continue up, but it's also very likely, looking at the highest probability, is getting a rejection at that $2 range and continue to the downside. This is an ascending broadening wedge. You can clearly see right here, this is a bearish pattern. If it breaks support, it broke support, it is now just retesting the support, turning into resistance. So it is very possible that we are going to continue to the downside. There is a higher probability on MATIC to continue down, in my personal opinion. This is looking at the daily chart, and you can clearly see that this low over here is being retested as support, as resistance, sorry. This is the $2 range. So if you shorting from this level, let's go to the 4 hourly, you might think, yes, but Andy, where am I going to take profits? You know, if I'm shorting at this level, if I'm shorting that $2 range right over here, you know, and it's looking pretty good at this moment, is kind of creating a double top scenario. You know, take profit area would be the high of this resistance range. Okay, so we're not far off. Take profit range would be all the way down here. So this is the thing, if you're in a short position right there, you might get a solid support from the top of this range. So yeah, basically take profit area would be $1.70. But yeah, from the highs to the lows, you might think, yeah, that's a very small move. But yeah, if you're shorting the top here, when you're creating this double top, and you're shorting, you know, from the top to the bottom bit, you know, that is a 15% move. I think there's a little bit more downside here for MATIC. But yeah, 15% move, if you're using a 10x, then that is 150% profit, okay? MATIC can be traded on Bybit. Remember, guys, for experienced traders, you got the link down below for an incredible bonus of up to $4,100 worth of bonus. I got a full tutorial down below in the description of Bybit. And also for Prime XBT, you get 7% added to deposit, guys. Absolutely insane bonus. Incredible platforms. You got both of the tutorials down below in the description. For experienced traders, please. Don't just randomly trade. Make sure to have, you know, tight stop losses, have targets. You know, why are you entering? Why are you going to exit here? And I try to explain, you know, why you would enter here, because it's a big resistance or a big support. And why am I exiting here? Because it's a big resistance or it's a big support. That's it. That's my way of analyzing the market. Let's take a look at Polkadot here straight away. Why not? Let's take a look at Polkadot, and I'm going to do a quick live stream, guys. This is not going to be a very long one. What have we got for Polkadot? Polkadot, same scenario here. We had a descending wedge right there, broke support. So yeah, that ended up bearish, breaking the support. Let me just, you know, zoom out here on the chart on Polkadot, and it's not looking too great for Polkadot. Let me just try and get a clean chart on Polkadot. It looks like that it kind of broke. It broke here, this kind of descending wedge, right? Now, are we going to retest the resistance and turn it into support? This is the question. I think it's going to roll back down. Are we going to manage on Polkadot to get, you know, the resistance this resistance turning into support, this level where we're currently at right now. It is very, very possible. Very, very possible. Now there's another trend line here that we are maybe potentially getting resistance also from these lower highs right there. This is currently where we are getting. Let me just change color so you can clearly see here from these lower highs. This is currently also where we are kind of getting resistance. So we probably could be trading in between this range for a while and then potentially break up. Next biggest range here for Polkadot is the $25. I think it could get a bounce from this level. Could get a bounce from this major resistance zone that is turning into support. We are seeing some kind of reaction right now here on Polkadot. So yeah, that's my take here on Polkadot. Ethereum TA. Let's take a look at besides MATIC, you want to go short on everything right now, in my opinion. Besides MATIC, you want to go short on everything right now, in my opinion. So you think that MATIC is bullish? I'm seeing MATIC. I'm seeing MATIC, you know, quite bearish. Like I said, I see MATIC a little bit bearish. I know it's a great project. A lot of projects being built on the MATIC network. I think it will survive, but this is why, you know, it is getting that rejection right now. It is getting that reaction, and I think it will come down, but I don't see it successfully continuing down. I think it will get, you know, a potential higher low or something like that, and then continue up. Immediate short term, I'm slightly bearish hitting this major resistance. I want to see that reaction and potentially recover. If you are going to create another higher low or double bottom, very, very possible scenario for MATIC. Thank you, mate. Jason, you're very welcome. TA on Ethereum. How's it going, Andy? Me, Chavi, can we have an ETH TA, please? Have a nice day. Ben, let's take a look at Ethereum straight away, guys. And just a quick, look at also Bitcoin, S&P 500. They're the most important ones. And I think weekend is here already. It's going to be looking relatively boring. We've got insane levels of support down below, guys. If it starts dumping, I mean, you know, people thinking it's dumping, it's going down, what's going on? It's going to be a very good buying zone, in my personal opinion. Okay, all depending on how we react to those levels. Now let's take a look at Ethereum here for the community. I got some people here wanting me to take a look at Ethereum, and let's get another chart here, a cleaner chart, and just, you know, analyze the situation. There are two major levels here on Ethereum, and biggest support level is the $2,800 right here. This is this green box area. This is an insane support level. Okay, if the price comes down to this range, I strongly believe we are going to create a higher low, a big higher low right there, and we are going to see a nice uptrend. Okay, then the next coming weeks, I am sticking bullish here for Ethereum. So if Bitcoin does come down to, you know, 41.5, 41K levels, you know, losing a few $1,000s, I think Ethereum will lose a few $100s, and this could take us down to 2,800. And this level, guys, is so strong. We did lose the level. We did get some reaction, but we finally broke above. I mean, this is absolutely insane. So keeping it simple here for Ethereum. You know, this massive lower high breakdown, and you know, if you get a let's get a trend line here from these last three right there. You can see that kind of reaction, right, that you did have. This is a kind of a bump and run scenario, right, where you are getting, you know, these lower highs, massive big drop, you consolidate, you break above the highs. So if this has a corrective move, this 2,800 major, you know, resistance level, that will be turning into support. So my take here, if Ethereum goes down to 2,800, that will be a good buy zone. Okay, we do not want to buy the top. We want to buy into some retracements. And a lot of people might think, okay, we are still in a big, massive downtrend for Ethereum. So this is the, this is just a big bull trap, and we are going to continue down and retest the lows here at 2,300. Like I said, looking at Bitcoin, it very much looks like that we are changing the trend, guys. It does very much look like, okay, you cannot change my opinion on this until we break back down the $40,000 range, 41,000. Until we do not break back down from this level, then yeah, I'm bullish. I think this is the start of a major uptrend, and it's the same for Ethereum. So if Ethereum comes all the way down to 2,800, I will be ready for that potential big higher low. I will be ready for that higher low, guys. I think it's, it's time to go up. You can't go down forever. You can't go up forever. We've been going down for 3 months right now. So it is time for a potential relief rally, even though if it's a relief rally, because on Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin can reach $52,000, $53,000 in the next coming weeks. It's not going to be in 2 days. It's going to be in weeks. And maybe at this level, it's going to be awful. Maybe we are going to have a massive big roll back down here. But, markets don't go up in a straight line. They don't go down in a straight line. So we need to be bullish, bearish. We need to go with the reactions. I am bullish now in the immediate, short midterm. So yeah, we want to try and get into those opportunities. Guys, this is going to be it. Thank you very much for joining. I will be doing more live streams. Let's try and find those buying opportunities. My next buying opportunity would be that 41, 41.5, depending on how we go there. We want to consolidate. I want to see wicks. I want to see buying pressure. So yeah, guys, make sure to stay safe. You got the links down below on these exchanges to get an insane bonus. I'm getting a small commission. You getting the best bonus. Don't use them if you have no idea what you're doing. If you got your levels, marked up, then yes, you can use them. Great way to support the channel. You get an insane bonus. Check out Bitcoinsensus website. You got the best deals down below. Also, like I said, you got, Bitcoinsensus website. We've got the latest news and technical analysis ideas here. New play to earn metaverse game to be launched by Flocky Inu, guys. So if you're interested in gaming and in metaverse play to earn, guys, this is also the future. There's going to be a lot of these, gaming projects that, where you can play and earn. So yeah, check out this article. It's on the Bitcoinsensus website if you are interested in play to earn games. All right. Thank you very much, guys. And I will see you in the next one. Have a great weekend.